taste like pennies and burnt out tube amps. Blue static is dancing on the streetlights out front. On the streetlights out front. My throat feels like sandpaper, a dry river, counting the seconds till the sky turns to lead. You're counting the seconds, I'm counting the rain, trying to find a frequency for all of this pain. And it's 1,000 decibels of God in the clouds. Wash the dust from the attic, screaming out loud. Ozone and static, a suburban eclipse. We're losing the signal, we're losing our grips. Let the storm be the choir, let the thunder be the floor. We don't need these walls or this never-ending core. The power is sputtering, the fridge is a ghost. A flickering bulb is all we have for a host. My voice is just rubble, my lungs are just coal, trying to find a way to make the lightning a hole. The wires are snapping, the branches are gone. I haven't slept since the static came on. And it's 1,000 decibels of God in the clouds. Wash the dust from the attic, screaming out loud. Ozone and static, a suburban eclipse. We're losing the signal, we're losing our grips. Let the storm be the choir, let the thunder be the floor. We don't need these walls or the never-ending core. Break the glass, break the line. Everything will be fine in the end. Just let it crash, let it crash. Let it burn, let it burn. Wait for the light to finally return. The lights are back on, everything's fine. Just ozone and silence now.